Installing Xero accounting software is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you will need to sign up for a Xero account by visiting the Xero website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic business information, including your business name, email address, and password. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the Xero dashboard where you can start setting up your account. The first step is to set up your organization, which involves entering your business details, such as your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to set up your users and roles, which will determine who has access to your Xero account and what they can do. Next, you will need to connect your bank accounts to Xero, which will allow you to import your bank statements and reconcile your accounts. You can do this by clicking on the Bank Accounts tab and following the prompts to connect your accounts. Xero supports a wide range of banks and financial institutions, so you should be able to connect your accounts easily. After you have connected your bank accounts, you can start setting up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all the accounts you use to track your business finances. Xero provides a default chart of accounts that you can use as a starting point, or you can customize it to suit your business needs. You will also need to set up your tax rates and settings, which will determine how Xero handles tax calculations and reporting. This includes setting up your tax filing frequencies and deadlines, as well as your tax rates and codes. Finally, you can start using Xero to manage your business finances, including invoicing customers, tracking expenses, and reconciling your accounts. Xero provides a range of tools and features to help you do this, including automated invoicing and payment reminders, as well as detailed financial reporting and analysis. Throughout the setup process, Xero provides a range of guides and resources to help you get started, including video tutorials and step-by-step instructions. If you need additional help, you can also contact Xero support, which is available 24/7. By following these steps and using Xero's guides and resources, you can quickly and easily install and set up Xero accounting software and start managing your business finances with confidence.